In today's video, I'm going to teach you the complete 2025 guide on how to send a Calendly invite. Whether you're scheduling a meeting with a colleague or arranging a call with a client, Calendly is a highly effective tool for making your scheduling a breeze. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Calendly's homepage. You can do this by opening up your web browser and visiting calendly.com. This site is a fantastic resource for scheduling appointments seamlessly and efficiently. Once you're there, the next step is logging into your account. One of the most straightforward ways to do this is by clicking on Continue with Google. This option is convenient if you have a Google account, as it allows you to access Calendly without having to remember yet another password. After clicking the Google sign in button, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Make sure you select the correct account that you want to be linked with your Calendly activities. Once that's done, you'll find yourself on your Calendly dashboard. Now from the dashboard, it's time to create a new meeting. Look for the option that says New Meeting and click on it. You'll be taken through a very user-friendly interface that guides you through setting up the details for your meeting. After you've set up your meeting and you're satisfied with the arrangements, you'll want to share it with the other participants. To do this, click on the option that says Copy Link. This step will generate a link that you can share, allowing invitees to see the available time slots and book one that suits them. Next, let's move over to Gmail to send out that invite. In your Gmail, start by clicking on the Compose button. This will open up a new email window where you can draft your invitation. Begin by entering the email addresses of your intended recipients in the To field. In the body of your email, you may want to include a brief message inviting them to schedule a meeting with you, then paste the Calendly link you copied earlier. This link will direct them to your Calendly page where they can pick from the time slots available. Once your email is written and the link included, give everything a quick review before heading to the end of the process. When ready, just click Send and off it goes. Your invitees will receive the email and can easily select a time that works for them. And that's it. You've successfully sent a Calendly invite. With this guide, you can streamline your scheduling process, making it simple and fuss-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to check back for more tips and tricks on using Calendly effectively.